Hello, teachers. Today I am going to show you how to assign assignments on iStation. I know that I've had a few of you ask how to do that, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to sign on to iStation, log in, and I am going to be assigning targeted lessons to my Tier 3 kids that are stuck on level 1. I think that the district will be using iStation for those kids that took MAP in Spanish. And for RTI, they want you to assign targeted lessons to your Tier 2 kids. I believe that was the message that we heard last week. So if you have Tier 2 kids and they're on level 1 on iStation, this video will be very beneficial because I'm going to show you how to assign them targeted lessons on iStation. So the first thing is you go to your classroom and I click on level 1 because my tier 3 students, the majority of them are on level 1. This is my student, one of my students, so I'm going to click on my student. And the first thing I am going to do is I am going to click here where it says Espanol Student Summary Handout. This form is going to tell me what cycle this student is on. As you could see here, he is on cycle 6. So that's very important. And then his Lexile is a 175. Okay, so now I know cycle 6. But what does that mean? If you click here on iStation Espanol cycle descriptions, it's going to tell you the description for each cycle. So then I'm going to know what cycle he's on, what he's learning, and then from there I could target my instruction. So this student is on cycle 6. He's still learning the alphabet. These are the letters that he's working on, syllables, so on and so forth. And his reading comprehension, he's working on sequencing and inference. What I am doing is I'm getting something from here, the letters, because he needs to know his letters. And I'm also getting something from comprehension. So I'm assigning 2 assignments per week. So I'm going to write this down on a piece of paper, right? Because I need to know the letters. And then I am going to pick sequence or inference. We'll see what book I find that has the sequence and making inferences, okay? So after I know that this student is on cycle 6, I know what he's learning, so I know what I am going to select for him. So I'm going to go back to classroom, and I'm going to go to assignments. I am going to create an assignment for this student. And it automatically will put him in this box. And then you go to proceed to select activities. This is very important, right? Right now it's on English. So you have to go here and click on iStation Español. I am going to click here, Canciones y Juegos. All of these tabs have different lessons. So you just have to play around with them, click on them, get familiar with them. So I go here for my tier 3 kids, Canciones y Juegos. This is the alphabet. This is La Canción de las Letras. But here, I've been playing around with this. Right here it says Paracaídas, Reconocimiento de Letras. I know he was struggling with these because I wrote them down, right? So I'm going to assign him this activity. And then once you click, it automatically takes it to assigned activities. And then the other thing was his comprehension, sequence, and inference. So I am going to go to Libros, and I'm going to click here. And I'm going to try to find a book. So this one, if you toggle over the title, it'll tell you what letters and what skill. So I know that his letters are Enye. Let me see. Here we go. I know it was Enye, V, Ella, Y. So vamos a la escuela, and then also it's secuencia e inferencia. So I don't have like a list. I have to figure it out by just toggling over and trying to find out, what um, letters and what comprehension skill is available for all of these titles. So I am going to assign him Vamos a la Escuela because this is going to work on comprehension, the sequencing, and the inferencing. And it's also going to work on the letters that he's struggling with. And I know his Lexile is 175, and this book is 200 and below. So this is going to be a perfect book for this student. So I'm going to assign him that one. So now I have the letters that he needs to work on and the comprehension, which contains the same letters. So this is his assignment. And then I'm going to create assignment. And right here it says success. Assignment has been created. So now when this student logs into iStation, he should go to the backpack icon, click on that, and it'll take him directly to his assignments. I created a video to show the kids where to go because I know that they go to ISEP to take their monthly assessment, but there's also another icon, a backpack icon, that they have to go to in order to get these specific lessons. So I already emailed you the video for the students to see on how to locate the backpack on iStation. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But this is how I've been doing it. And this is really neat that I'm able to find the cycle and pinpoint what areas they're working on. This has helped me create their assignments. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.